Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. If you're looking for a dessert which is easy, quick, and can be prepared in no time, and above all, you don't have to go out, all the ingredients are available in your pantry, I named this dessert Pineapple Fantasy. So without wasting a single minute, let's go and make it happen. So first step is to whip our cream. I am using heavy whipping cream and I'm doing it in a stand mixture. You can use a handheld mixture or you can do by hand and whip until it gets soft peaks. Then take a large mixing bowl, add can of condensed milk. Then I add some lemon juice and mix well. Then this recipe calls for cookies. The best goes with the recipe are chocolate chip cookies, but I was out of them, so today I'm using graham crackers, but you can use any of your favorite cookie in this recipe. Now another deliciousness which goes in the recipe are chocolate chip. Again, if you're using chocolate chip cookies, this will enhance the flavor of chocolate. The main ingredient, pineapple. I'm using crushed pineapples, but you can use chunks as well. So mix everything until they are completely combined. Now put this bowl on the side and bring your whipping cream. As you can see, it has soft peak and it's completely whipped up. Now I transfer the cookie mixture into the whipping cream and then very lightly start folding until everything is completely mixed. Then I transfer this dessert into a serving bowl. Just smooth the top and then I decorated my dessert with some chocolate syrup, and then I added some crushed pineapple. You can use chunks as well. If you're using chocolate chip cookies, you can do half of a chocolate chip cookie. Then I sprinkled some more chocolate chips on top and your now pineapple fantasy is ready to serve. Just keep it in the fridge and serve chilled. And this rich, creamy, and refreshing, dessert lovers of all ages will enjoy this pineapple fantasy. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.